on your fourth project, and I must say from your last project, that is the third project, you showed a great amount of improvement. That was great. The beginning and the ending, both of which was fabulous. The beginning with such a song, and the ending was also properly planned. So it was really good, the beginning and the ending. The third thing that I really liked about your speech was it was so relevant. We've all been in games and we know how it feels like when you work for a game and you come back really tired, but there is sense of victory there. So we all know how it feels like, so it was extremely relevant to all of us. And that was one of the strength of your speech. Now, moving on to the project requirement, I must say that the metaphors and the similes were used a lot of times from the motivation at the height of Mount Everest, and you can touch me but you can't have me with comparisons, and another bomb was there and something like that, the white wolf dying. So there was abundant use of the metaphors and the similes, which is the major requirement of the project. Other than that, there was a vivid description, because it was a story. As I said before, it was relevant, so it was vivid. And there was proper grammar and pronunciation, all of which was great. However, coming to the however, there was alliteration is part of the rhetorical device you have to use. There was lapse in that. And the eye contact, you had your eye contact, left, right, center, but still, as eye contact is not just above the head, but you do eye contact, as in eye contact. Just looking at the head. So that should be improved. Other than that, yeah, there was very long sentences. The simple, concise sentence was missing. That's all. Congratulations for completing the project.